Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jeff. It is July 29th, 2026. A real short video here today to tell you about some upcoming changes I saw yesterday on my Lyft app. The timing is perfect because last night on the Show Me the Money Club, the best 2 hours of television on YouTube, in this announcer's opinion, covered Lyft and their, what did they call it? Passive-aggressive messages. Well, to me, that's nothing new. I've seen that for 8 or 9 years. I've just learned to ignore it. People are the way they are. And to people who really need Lyft, it can be intimidating. But again, diversify. Have 8 or 9 or 10 different gig apps, and you won't be beholden to any one gig company. But here is something that is important to me, since I really do appreciate Lyft Rewards. Now, I've looked on the app today, and what I am showing you is nowhere on the app anymore. So I don't know if it came out by mistake. I am in the Daytona, Florida market. Maybe some of you have seen this. If you have, please share your comments. So I believe that Lyft has the best rewards program out there, and that's why I continue to stay elite. What you're looking at is my current status. I have 2 days to get another 1,264 points. To keep my elite status, it will be a challenge. However, I'm showing you this slide to show you the new slide and do a little comparison. So currently, as an elite driver with an acceptance rate over 90%, you earn 3 points per dollar. Keep that number in mind, 3 points per dollar, and you need 4,700 points to maintain elite. As you can see, here's the current scale for how many point multipliers you get per dollar of ride earning. This came out yesterday. We're introducing Smooth Cruiser Score as a new qualifying goal and updated point multipliers for higher acceptance rates. This will go into effect starting August 1st or September 1st, depending on your region. I have not gotten an email yet telling me about this, and since August 1st is 3 days away, I would assume I would have gotten it. But again, I can't find this anywhere on my app. I'm glad I screenshotted it. So it says, with Lyft Rewards, you'll earn 1 to 2 tier points for every dollar you earn on rides, excluding bonuses. And I just showed you, currently, I am earning 3 times points. That's a 33.33% haircut. Now, I don't know yet if the point goal of 4,700 is also going to go down by 33.3%. I guess I won't find that out until August 1st or September 1st. And here is the new breakdown. So now my current 95% acceptance rate will only get me 2 points for every dollar of earnings. Now, that's important because it takes 375 points to get $5 off gas when you go to fill up with your Lyft debit card. So that's a very big haircut. Not surprising to me. Again, these companies are so greedy. It's mind-baffling. It's mind-blowing. I've even given up being surprised by it. Please share your thoughts. Have any of you seen this? Have any of you gotten the email that says you will be starting this August 1st of 2026? Thank you as always for watching. Try to stay positive. Make sure you diversify and treat your gig work like a business. Have a great day.